Hey guys, welcome back. This home features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and an amazing outdoor living space. Some of the design elements that you'll see throughout the home are a lot of texture and warm wood, and a lot of natural materials that we've used. We begin our tour in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Our overall design aesthetic for this home was soft contemporary. We achieved that by using walnut cabinetry, polished nickel hardware, and also incorporating some soft brass accents in lighting and cabinet hardware. And then we also chose to use monogram for all of our appliances because of their streamlined look and feel. So because we wanted a very clean look in this kitchen, we decided to hide the refrigerator and freezer behind custom-made panels that match the cabinetry. We also needed a pantry and didn't want a door kind of hanging out there, so we made a custom-made panel to hide our hidden walk-in pantry. This hood is a showstopper. This incorporates the brass detail and also the stainless from the monogram cooktop. This home features an open floor plan, which means the kitchen and the living space are in one. Being that we needed a focal point to ground the room, so we designed this custom built-in that features this beautiful quartzite backsplash that was custom designed to the scale of the space. When you have an open floor plan, it's best to position the furniture in a way that it's inviting and conversational. We like to use swivel chairs, a round coffee table, and then a nice big rug that grounds the space. The sectional in this room was extremely important. We wanted to make sure it was large enough for the space and also facing the kitchen so that it had that conversational aspect because this is an open floor plan. Some tips to consider when you're deciding on the furniture placement in your living room is be sure to get a sofa or sectional that's large enough for the space. Second, you want to make sure the rug is sized properly. We find a lot of mistakes that people make is the rug is actually too small for the space. You really want to have all of the furniture pieces touching the rug. And third, incorporate swivel chairs. Those are a great conversational aspect and a nice way to bring in additional seating. One last thing, when you're looking for the perfect coffee table for your space, if you have a large sectional, you want to consider using a round or oval. The soft curves actually create a really good traffic flow in your living space. Located next to the living space is the powder room. For this space, we incorporated elements from the kitchen, and we had the opportunity to showcase this custom tile. This accent tile was custom made to reflect our client's unique style, incorporating their chosen stone and metal inlay detail. The mirror and lights strike the perfect balance, showcasing our professional touch. Welcome to the West Wing, also known as the Master Suite. In this room, we decided to go for a soft contemporary feel with a neutral color palette. We wanted to keep things consistent, so we opted to use the same Calcutta porcelain and walnut cabinetry, and we love the polished nickel so much we decided to use it on the light fixtures and the faucets in this bathroom. So we were really going for a contemporary spa-like feel, so we chose to use this beautiful freestanding bathtub, polished nickel hardware in the shower, and then this amazing backdrop of the Calcutta porcelain slab on the wall. Being that we had this huge window that faced the pool area, we really needed to get creative about a shade for privacy. So in the architectural and planning of the home, we decided to use what's called a shade pocket. This means that the shade can actually retract up, and once it's fully up, you don't see it. It disappears into the ceiling. We've saved the best room for last. This is my personal favorite in this home, which is the cabana bathroom. This space embraces bold pattern and coastal elements. We chose to do this teal Ansax tile in a herringbone pattern, stretching across the whole wall in this bathroom. The color we chose was this beautiful teal color that was from Ansax, which is the manufacturer of this tile. For the flooring, we chose to do something that was reminiscent to old Florida terrazzo. Thank you for watching, and if you've been inspired by this tour, check out jenniferlynnid.com to schedule your complimentary design assessment. Or looking for more design inspiration, be sure to check out our next video.